Welcome to this technical guide on the HP 15A-DA0031NS. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your HP 15A-DA0031NS isn't holding a charge, it can be quite frustrating. This issue typically arises due to battery degradation over time, which can prevent your laptop from powering on or functioning properly. If left unaddressed, it may lead to further complications, affecting your device's performance and usability. To perform this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, and a replacement battery specifically for the HP 15A-DA0031NS. First, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. Begin by using the plastic opening tool to gently pry open the back cover of your laptop. Be cautious around the edges to avoid damaging the casing. Once you have access to the internals, locate the battery, which is typically situated in the center of the device. Carefully disconnect the battery connector by lifting it gently with your fingers or using the plastic tool if necessary. Next, remove the screws securing the battery in place. These are usually Phillips screws, so make sure you are using the correct screwdriver. Apply gentle force to unscrew them, ensuring you don't strip the screws. With the screws removed, you can now lift the old battery out. When inserting the new battery, reverse the process. Place it into the compartment, ensuring it fits snugly. Reconnect the battery connector, making sure it's seated properly to avoid any future issues. Remember to replace the screws, tightening them firmly but not overly so, as you don't want to damage the threading. As you close the back cover, ensure that all clips are secured, and check that there are no gaps. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from recurring, make sure to regularly calibrate your battery by fully charging and then discharging it. Additionally, avoid leaving your laptop plugged in constantly, as this can lead to battery wear. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.